Hello, James here again from Sight Unseen. I'm showing you some of the floor work that I'm doing. This house actually was moved from Fort Benning. It was a barracks, and I uncovered the pine flooring that was left. Unfortunately, this whole area was rotted. I had to replace floor joists, as well as in the back here along the back door here. All this was rotted out, but it's a big process. Every piece has to be cleaned from the dirt that's been embedded into this and petrified from 40 years ago or more, 80. Anyway,